Very good morning, students. Students, it's your science class, and as you know, we had read our chapter number 2, teeth and digestive system. So, today we will revise our chapter. Students, you know that we need teeth to chew, grind our food. You all know that now. We need food. We eat food with the help of our teeth. So, students, we have two type of teeth. The first is milk teeth. A baby when born does not have any teeth. Okay, but by the time child is about 2.5 years old, he or she has 20 teeth. So the first set of teeth in a child is called milk teeth or temporary teeth. ओके सो जब बेबी छोटा सा बॉर्न होता है तो उसके टीथ नहीं होते हैं. जब धीरे धीरे टीथ आते हैं तो दैट आर कॉल्ड मिल्क टीथ. एंड एट द एज ऑफ 5 to 6 years वो टीथ गिरने लग जाते हैं. हमारे मिल्क टीथ हमारे ब्रेक ऑफ फॉल ऑफ होने लग जाते हैं एंड उसकी जगह पर हमारे न्यू टीथ आते हैं. दोज टीथ आर कॉल्ड permanent teeth. They are total 32 in number, 16 in the upper jaw and 16 in the lower jaw. So we have two types of teeth, two sets of teeth actually. Now we will discuss types of teeth. Students, we have four types of teeth. You can look at your teeth. Every teeth has a different shape. So first is incisors. Sharp, flat teeth in front of each jaw used for cutting and biting are called incisors. So they are called cutting teeth also. They are 8 in number, 4 in upper jaw and 4 in lower jaw. Then canines, sharp pointed teeth present on both sides of the incisors are called canines. They are also called tearing food and they are 4 in numbers, 2 in the upper jaw and 2 in the lower jaw. They are called tearing teeth. Then we have premolars. Flat and broad teeth present next to the canines are called premolars. They crush and chew the food. They are 8 in number, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. Then we have molars. Student, flat and broad teeth are called molars. They are broader than premolars. Okay, molars are broader than premolars. They help in chewing and grinding the food. They are 12 molars in our mouth, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. So student, molars are also known as chewing and grinding teeth. Okay, we had discussed four types of teeth here: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Now students, structure of a tooth. We have three parts of a tooth here. First is crown, B is gum and C is root. So this is crown. We call it enamel, students, and this is gum. Okay, this is our gum. Crown, we call it enamel. This is the hardest substance of our body. And root is the part fixed inside the gum. Okay, it is below the gum. Now this white structure which we can see in our mouth is called enamel. Below enamel there is a dentine which is a little bit softer than enamel. Okay, enamel is the hardest substance of our body. And then we have this pulp. It forms the central part of the tooth and it has blood vessels and nerves. Now tooth decay. What happens, students? We eat food. You all know that we eat food from our mouth with the help of our teeth. Okay, and when these small particles of food get stuck in our teeth, these food particles need to be removed. Okay, the food particles which stuck in our teeth needs to be removed. If teeth are not cleaned properly, germs can grow on them and can form a yellow sticky layer called plaque. Okay, and these germs change the sugar present in food particles into an acid, and this acid attacks the enamel and makes a hole called cavity. And when this cavity reaches the pulp, the tooth starts paining. Hana? So we should clean our teeth properly, and tooth decay results in tooth pain, in toothache. It may lead to fall off your teeth. Okay, and if permanent teeth falls off now, then you will not get a new teeth. Okay, so you have to take care. So tooth decay leads to toothache, yellow teeth, plaque, okay, and bad smell also. Now how to take care of our teeth and gums? We have to brush our teeth twice a day, you know now, twice a day. Second is, we have to clean both the inner and outer surface of teeth. And third is, avoid eating too many chocolate, sweet, sticky food. And if you drink or eat something like this, rinse your mouth immediately, okay. Then fourth one, we should eat green leafy vegetables more and more. Okay. Then we should visit a dentist in every 6 months for regular checkup. And students, we should not share our brush with anyone. And we should use a good quality toothpaste for brushing. Now, what does brush stand for? B for brushing, R for removes, U stands for useless, S for sticky, H for hidden particles from our teeth. So, thank you so much, students.